When you do epoxy projects, you'll find yourself with some leftover epoxy. You can approximately calculate how much epoxy you need, but you will almost always have a little bit left over. In this video, I'll show you some ideas what to do with your leftover epoxy. Do you want more woodworking tips so you can start doing your projects and grow a woodworking business? I'll help you. Just subscribe to my channel. So right here I have a little cup of black epoxy leftover. What I like to do is cast the leftovers in silicone molds for baking, or like in this video, a mold for ice marbles. This way you use your epoxy to make little decorations you can use later on. These marbles, for example, you can cast in an epoxy river or something like that. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but in any way it's better than tossing away the leftover epoxy.